What if you could own a real house in New York City with your own land, your own garage, your own garden? Let me show you what that actually looks like. And this is 5244 79th Street in Elmhurst, Queens, New York. A 3-bedroom single-family home, and it comes with more than just the 4 walls. Let's start outside. This is a classic Queens block, tree-lined and residential neighborhood. This home was built in 1945 and has the solid old school New York construction that was built to last. Now take a look at this street. 79th Street is lined with attached houses all the way down, and there's something really nice about that. It feels like a proper neighborhood. People have their own homes, their own space, their own little corner of the city. You're not on top of each other, but you're also never really alone. There's a rare thing in New York. And if you just keep walking down the street, you walk right into Elmhurst Park. No driving, no subway, just a short stroll from your front door. It's a lovely open space where you can take the kids out on a weekend morning, go for a walk to clear your head after work, or just sit on a bench and do absolutely nothing for a while. Sometimes that's exactly what you need. Right here, you got your own private parking garage. In New York City, a parking spot alone is worth its weight in gold. No more circling the block, no monthly parking fees, no stress. You pull up, your park, your home. Here's what really sets this property apart and what you almost never see in the city. Behind the house, there's an additional piece of land, and what you do with it is completely up to you. You want a garden? Plant tomatoes, peppers, herbs, fresh food steps from your kitchen. You want fruit trees? Go ahead, apple, fig, lemon, whatever you love. Want to build a patio and entertain outside like the neighbors? This is your canvas, but you must get the city's approval. Maybe a kids' play area, a greenhouse, raised garden beds. The possibilities are endless. This is a land you own. In New York City, that's not something you find every day. I'll take you around the neighborhood, how they have transformed the extra piece of land. Nothing here, but there's a tree. As for this here, they make it into a huge garage. Hi there, how are you? Huge garage, another garage, and then this is like a garden. Looks really good. Yeah, look. So potentially that piece of land you can make into a garden, get a permit to make a garage over there. Inside, you get around 1,200 square feet spread across 3 bedrooms. The home is sun-filled. You notice the natural light throughout. It's been well maintained with a layout that works beautifully for a family or anyone who simply wants space and privacy. Down here on the first floor, you have your living room, kitchen, a bedroom, and a patio. Everything flows nicely and there's room to breathe. Head upstairs and you got your bedrooms, and a bathroom. Good size with natural light coming through. Now I've already done a full video on Elmhurst, the food, the parks, the transit, all of it. Link is right up in the cards and in the description below. Go check it out, it's worth it. And if you'd like to come see this house in person, just give me a call or text me at 347-612-2964. I'd love to show you around. And if you're thinking about selling your home, reach out as well. I'll be happy to have that conversation with you too.